Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Martin. As a doctor in the chiropractic department at the Philippine General Hospital, I realize that nowadays there are many patients from adolescence to adulthood who suffer from bone and joint problems. This is worrisome. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease. This condition occurs when one or more parts of the joint area degenerates, from which there will arise different forms of osteoarthritis, such as arthritis, disc herniation, or spondylolisthesis. Osteoarthritis is divided into two parts, degenerative and total degenerative. Local degeneration is a degenerative condition in a specific part or area of the musculoskeletal system. The cause is usually due to living habits, the nature of work, or external influences. For example, students and office workers often have neck and shoulder pain or hunchback due to the sitting in the wrong posture. This also affects those who carry heavy loads and have to use the spine a lot, which can often result in vertebral degeneration. These conditions can also sometimes be present in people who regularly practice martial arts, play sports, or those who are prone to injury due to using some joint areas more than usual. Most of the cases of osteoarthritis in young people is caused by local degeneration. Total degeneration condition is the degeneration of the entire musculoskeletal system. The main cause is usually aging, age, or genetics. When the musculoskeletal system in the body degenerates over time, it will cause osteoporosis, complete spondylolisthesis, and impaired motor function. Complete degeneration often occurs in the elderly or those who suffer from nutritional deficiencies, premature aging, or hereditary bone diseases. For osteoarthritis, if the patient is not treated in time or treated incorrectly, it will increase the severity of the condition. Over time, it will cause difficulty in movement, loss of working capacity, or even complete paralysis. Osteoarthritis is an extremely complex disease and it is difficult to treat thoroughly. Currently, to treat bone and joint problems, the following treatments are the most common. The first is Western medicine, using drugs that often have allergenic and anti-inflammatory ingredients. This method has the advantage of quickly alleviating the symptoms of the disease. However, the disadvantage of this method is that it does not address the root cause of the disease, which is a degenerative problem, so the patients can be prone to relapse. The second method is surgical intervention. This method is usually applied only in emergency situations with specific disease or when the patient itself is no longer responding to other treatments. The advantage of this method is that it is fast and effective, but unfortunately it has many side effects and high risks of complications. Currently, the success rate of osteopedic surgeries is about 50%, which can cause complete paralysis if the surgery fails. The third method is physical therapy methods such as acupuncture and acupressure combined with herbs. This method has the advantage of being safe and benign, but has low effectiveness and long treatment time. In addition, the root cause of osteoarthritis is not resolved, so the effectiveness of this method is not really as desired. The last method, which is also the method currently considered the most effective, is a comprehensive combination of nutrition therapy. This means combining conventional treatment measures with intensive nutritional therapy from colostrum for patients. This method is comprehensive, solving both the symptoms and the root cause of the disease, which is a degenerative problem. The main cause of osteoarthritis is degenerative, so it is not simply enough to treat with drugs alone. When the body degenerates, it needs to be intensively nourished to compensate for what has been lost. The same is true of the bones. The combination of treatment with intensive nutritional products and a suitable diet will help nourish the degenerative bone and joint system, rejuvenate the muscles and joints that have aged over time, and increase bioproduction, bone strength, and stimulate the regeneration of joint cartilage in the body. This is a method that is currently being hailed as the most effective, comprehensive treatment for bones and joint problems, and is being applied in major hospitals around the world. Currently, the intensive nutrition product that is being trusted by doctors and major hospitals around the world to treat osteoarthritis patients is Granshaw Gold Colostrum. These products are highly revered for their quality and effectiveness in supporting bone and joint treatments for patients. This product is also highly respected by many leading experts in nutrition, experts in bones and joints, and trusted by many patients. Granshaw Gold is a specialized colostrum product for osteoarthritis patients, which supports intensive bone and joint nutrition, supplements calcium, increases bone density, and helps restore, regenerate, and strengthen bones. It effectively treats bone and joint diseases such as spondylolisthesis, disc herniation, double vertebrae, sclerosis, and osteoporosis. This product is being applied along with conventional treatments and has been able to be proven to achieve very good results. Granshaw Gold is currently the leading US bone and joint colostrum product in the world, with extracts combining pure colostrum and Norwegian shark cartilage shells, produced using modern technology in the US. Therefore, Granshaw Gold Colostrum is of outstanding quality and has extremely intensive nourishing effects for osteoarthritis patients. Firstly, Granshaw Gold Colostrum has pure colostrum ingredients from the US, the country with the best colostrum source in the world, and is prepared using leading modern technology from the US, ensuring 100% quality. Colostrum is also known as the first living source of food, at the special milk that appears at the end of pregnancy and secreted through the mammary glands within 72 hours of giving birth. Because it is the first milk of life, the first source of energy, colostrum has a very strong ability to nourish and regenerate cells. Normally, when it comes to the concept of colostrum, people think it is only suitable for the baby, but this is not true. Colostrum not only contains harm-resistant substances, but also has the ability to nourish and regenerate, which is very good for both the elderly and patients with bone and joint problems. Colostrum contains special nutrients that have the ability to stimulate and the maximum activity of osteoblasts, regenerate new skeletal muscles, help restore degenerated musculoskeletal areas, and nourish the musculoskeletal system. The second main ingredient is Norwegian shark cartilage. The panacea in the treatment of bone and joint diseases, the master of joints. According to research, Norwegian shark fin contains chondroitin, which inhibits enzymes that destroy cartilage in joints and stimulates the synthesis and regeneration of new cartilage. In addition, Granshaw Gold is the first product to successfully apply phytosome technology to complex extracts of colostrum and shark fin chondrocytes in order to increase the bioavailability of the previous complex many times over, targeting the degenerative bone and joint areas to extract the intensive regenerative and nourishing processes. Notably, the nutritional therapy from colostrum is extremely safe and benign for patients, even the elderly and people with underlying medical conditions. In strict testing, it has not been shown to cause any side effects. patients can use it for long-term support of treatment for bones and joints, enhance nutrition, and improve health. GrandSure Gold is currently the best colostrum nutrition therapy in the world, suitable for all conditions of osteoarthritis patients. It is suitable for people with arthritis, rheumatism, degenerative osteoporosis, or acute or chronic herniated disc. It can also be used by people who have suffered cartilage injuries due to accidents or heavy movement, with symptoms such as knee pain, difficulty walking, stiffness, numbness in the limbs, joint fatigue, restricted movement in the back or neck, and shoulder pain. GrandSure Gold Joint Colostrum product provides pain relief quickly without affecting the stomach or blood pressure. Continued usage will lead to softer joints, more flexible movement, improved mobility, strengthened cartilage, and improved joint strength. And finally, I also recommend that people with osteoarthritis need to understand the root cause of the disease, avoiding cases of minor treatment. You must understand what your disease needs and lacks. When using GrandSure Gold bone and joint colostrum products, it is necessary to be patient, use it correctly and fully, and understand most importantly that you have to adhere to a healthy lifestyle for bone and long-term health. Because GrandSure Gold is a treatment, the most effective and best known treatment being chosen and trusted by thousands of users worldwide.